Hello everyone. Um, these videos is intended to teach people how to back test. In order for you to know and learn how to back test, you're gonna have to subscribe to TradingView. I use TradingView platform to train myself how to back test. So you have to subscribe to TradingView, and um, the subscription is only $15.75 monthly. Um, you could use TradingView to do your charting, but you cannot backtest until you subscribe. At least essential subscription is $15.75 um, per month. They have other subscription which I think is not necessary for you right now if you want to learn how to backtest. They have plus subscription which is $31.58 per month, and they have the premium one which is $63.25 a month. But what I think you will need to be able to backtest is the basic one, which is $15.75 a month. So when you have it, you will have access to all of these right here. So like I said earlier, the channel here is uh, made for training about how to backtest. Okay, so now um, so to backtest, you will, let's choose, this is QQQ. All right, this is one of the assets that I trade QQQ, and HIMS, and the other ones, and SPY. um, but we're gonna use SPY. Let's just use SPY. So you click on these SPY. All right, so now for my backtest, I use at least 5 indicators. So if you have an essential um, subscription, you can use up to 5 indicators. Okay, I have 5 indicators here. The first one is, I'll show you. The first one is market profile. The second one is just moving average uh, exponential. And the third one is VWAP. And the fourth one is smart algo. The fifth one is price action toolkits. Okay, so um, that's what I use to practice my back test. Okay, the price action, I love it so much because it actually shows you how where the price breakout. It will draw everything for you as well. But I don't really depend on the drawing on of price action, because I do learn how to draw my breakout line as well. Okay, so now let's start the back testing. All right, so I'm using SPY. I trade with these. I trade these assets a lot. SPY. All right, so I will want to go to let's see. So the market open at 9:30. Okay, so I want to start from there. So now we go to replay right here. All right, and when you click on replay, you see select date. Okay, then we will go to the, let's see, let's start. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's click on the 3rd of November. Click on it, and like I said, the market opens at 9:30. So click on the time right here, and I said 9:30, right? Okay, 9:30, 9:50. This is 9:30, so select. Now, clicking on this date, it'll just, you know, it cuts everything off. Then you start from 9:30 on that same day. Okay, so now you want to start to train yourself how to backtest. Okay, so with the look of the situation right here, okay, all right, so you see this line right here, like price action did not draw this line for me, so I'm gonna have to do this myself. All right, okay, right here, draw my line. I think I'm gonna put it right there, yes, because I think, yeah. So um these I like I told you, the VWAP and EMA, I use it a lot. So the VWAP, when you add VWAP indicator, okay, you go to the setting. Okay, so literally everything is here. So I check this right here. When you do that, it'll give you, this is VWAP right here. Let's go back there again. Okay, so the upper band and the lower band, this is VWAP itself right here. So the upper band and lower band. So you could choose any color that you want. You know, I chose green for both, but literally I don't really use them. The only thing necessary for me is just the VWAP itself, which is these blue line right here. Okay, so I'm gonna uncheck this. Actually, before I uncheck it, I want to show it the way it looks. So this is the green line, the top one and the bottom one. This is VWAP itself. So then EMA, click on EMA. It's only, one line EMA. So this type of EMA is moving average exponential. Okay, and that, and also, so now let's start to backtest. I drew my line right here. This is level right here. Okay, I know eventually price will be coming down here. So if the price is above VWAP, you should pay attention to it. Okay, when price goes above VWAP, that's when you should trade. Okay, and I'm not saying that is when you should enter the trade, but it tells you price is going up. Okay, and if the price is below VWAP, you know the price is coming down. You don't, if you want to sell, if you want to sell, you sell when the price is below VWAP. If you want to buy, you buy when the price is above VWAP, right? Okay, so now, so we start to backtest now. So click on this. I set my um, timing to 0.2 times. Okay. All right. So let's start backtesting. It's 9:30. Okay. I don't trade at least the first 15-20 minutes when the market opens, because I have to make sure that the candlestick sticks settle, the price is settling. Okay, okay. um as you can see right here, I stop it. You see right here, okay? When VWAP actually cross this candle right here, when it cross this candle, okay, and the EMA is above the price, the EMA began to come right here. This is EMA right here. This red line right here is EMA is above the price. Okay, let me uncheck the upper band and lower band of VWAP so that we don't have a lot of things clustering here. Now, some days in. Okay, so this backtesting is for you to practice. Okay, so sometime it may fail if we don't do it right? But at least for sure that when VWAP cross the candles, these red candles, that's when you sell. You sell when price is below VWAP. Okay, you buy when price is above VWAP. So you can see right now that this is where price began to go down, but it's now from here downward is below VWAP. Okay, you don't buy here. Okay, if you see this red line right here, it tells you that this is the resistance. This is where the price stopped, because it start going up from here. It stops right here. Okay, yeah, it stops right here. Now it began to go down. Okay, now when it starts going down, VWAP actually crossed the price. Now from here, okay, the price, this is where you could start buying whenever you see uh, price below VWAP, and also whenever you see that EMA is outside the price, is to the right side of the price. Basically, it's above the price. When both are above the price, that's where you start buying. You see we had the cross right here. So now I don't usually depend on these two indicators. There's some confluence that I use also to make a decision whether to buy or to sell. So you see how this strong candle right here, okay, you see my drawing earlier, the drawing that I did earlier, it's a level. So this is a price action drawing right here, okay, but this is my drawing right here. So if I want to buy right now, I could click on buy. I mean, if I want to sell right now, I could sell, because there's three things that I know, okay, that I'm looking for, or even more than three things. So I think it's four. The first one is the price break this line, okay, and it's a very strong candle right here. This strong candle right here, price broke the line. VWAP is above the price from here, and EMA is above the price right there. Okay, right. So, and also I look back here, there's a gap right here that needs to be filled. Okay, so I am not telling you this is 100% assurance that the price will continue to go down, or it may reverse. Then also, even though it reverses, right, even though it reverses, you have to think to yourself like, okay, if I'm losing money, you don't want to lose more than what you could afford to lose, right? So now I'm going to buy, because number one, this candle right here, this red candle right here, engulf this green candle right here. I'm going to stop, sell. So I'm selling. Let me say I'm selling. Let's see. Let's just two contract. Let's just say two contract. All right. Sell. Okay. Now split, and make sure you watch the candles. Okay. 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 Let me stop the candle. So the price is going down now, so we are winning these market right now. All right. So this is price action broken lines right here. So I'm going to continue to hold my trade. Yep. Okay. So this is a reversal right now. Okay. This is a reversal. Okay. So I could take my trade right here. Let me close this line. When you see a reversal, okay, when you see a reversal, it's telling you uh, that these trade may reverse at any time. So it's not good to be greedy. Okay, these from these candlesticks to here, it's not for you to profit and get out. You don't want to be greedy. Okay, so right here, if I put in a lot of contract, let's just say I put 400 contract. Okay, that's gonna be a lot of money. That's gonna be a lot of money. Okay, that could be like 2, 3,000 right there. All right, but this is practicing. Okay, so I'll take my money. I'm not greedy. You know that you see this reversal right here. Okay, that does not mean it's going to reverse. Okay, it may actually continue. And why did I say that? You see, um, VWAP is separating away from EMA. They both, the price is underneath this VWAP and EMA right now. So what should we do here? I take my money, I go out. Even though, let's continue and see what happens. Okay. Okay. Some people still actually hold their trade here. Okay. So now let's stop it. So to me, I think it's gonna go down. Okay. So if you look at the candles right here, okay, if you look at the candles right here, okay, as a level right here, let's see, let me show you. As a level right here, you see this level? Okay, so you see this level right here. Okay, all right, now I'll show you. Let's do this. All right, you see, there's two levels I want you to pay attention to. The first one is this level. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candlesticks, right? And that's another level right here. Right here. Okay. So if you want to take another trade from here, We've already taken your money. Let's just take the money. Okay. Let me actually, yeah. Let me close this. Let's just say, okay, we took it. Okay. Now, you want to determine whether to sell and buy here. So the two things you have to look at. The first one is if price break this line down there. Okay. If price break this line right here, you're selling. You still have tendency to make some more money. But the chance that the price will break the top line, the chance is low. Okay. The chance that it will break this line down here is high. Why? Because VWAP is still uh, above the price. You see, the VWAP broke this line is still above the price, and also if you see the EMA here is still above the price partially. So let's go ahead and backtest. Exactly. So this is where after this, let's sell again. I'm selling because I know that the price broke the line. And again, the price um, may actually reverse. But because I see the VWAP here and I see VWAP and EMA here. So and I see that they both are above the price, right? Now, so all this blue line, highlighted line right here, they're actually previous, and the red one right here, they're previous resistance and support. Okay, they are both resistance and support. So I know this price is going to eventually come down and touch here. Okay, I know for sure. So those are the things that I look at. I look at what's going on with VWAP and EMA, and I look at the resistance. I mean, this the support right here and the resistance. And price has been coming down. So let me see. I'm gonna sell. Like I told you, there may be a little reverse. Okay, and I stop it. So these are engulfing. This is an engulfing candle. Okay, the bearish candle engulf the I mean the bearish candle engulf the bullish candle. Okay, this is the bullish candle right here. So this is bearish right candle, engulf it. So these are all bearish candles. Okay, the blue ones are bullish candles. Okay, but the price is coming down. Okay, and this is another assurance for me that the price may continue to go down because the bearish candle engulf the bullish candle. Okay, meaning that the bearish candle is stronger than the bullish candle. Okay, so it gives me a little assurance that the price may continue to come down. So let's keep going. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So like I said, let me pause it. This right here, that's a reverse right here. So we still make some money. If I see the next candle going up this way, I will take my money out right away. but you could still take your money out each time you see a reversal. Okay, and this reversal, if you can see right now, this is a reversal. You see that the bullish candle engulf the bearish candle, so there's a possibility that this may reverse against you. So if you notice that you see have little profits right here, you take it out. Okay, all right, but let's continue. Let me take this profit out. Okay, okay, let me stop it. There's a level right here. They're not, these two candles right here, this level is not significant enough. Okay, but what we got to pay attention to is this VWAP and EMA. So let's go ahead and backtest. There you go. So I stop right here. This is where I'm gonna stop because these new lines you just saw. This is market profile. Okay, market profile is very important. I use market profile to tell me, okay, um, where price is going. Okay, you see these blue lines right here. You see the middle yellow line. Okay, price tend to come like this, zigzag. You know, consolidate in the middle of market profile. Okay, and also if this price continues this way, if it continues to go down this way, I know for sure that it may stop right here because this is a resistance highlighted line right here. Okay, so today we will stop right here and continue again next time. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would like you to subscribe so that we'll be teaching ourselves. As I'm teaching you, I'm learning myself. So we will continue these, as time goes on. Please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.